Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. This is Bracket Fungus. It falls out of these water oak trees that I have throughout the woods back here. It is a great coal extender. I've proven that to you over and over again. You can empty Bic ignite it, you can fire roll it, you can solar ignite it. This morning I'm just gonna ignite it with my Bic, leave these two bigger pieces on the table, and just so you can get an idea what a good coal extender will do. It'll accept a weak ignition, although the Bic is not a weak ignition, and it will maintain that ember on a slow burn until you get ready to aerate it into an intense ember to make your tinder go to flame. I'm going to use this smaller fungus, ignite it and stick it up here on the pine needles, and I have about 5 or 6 pieces of oak in there. If I have my tinder figured out just right, that should be enough pine needles to get that wood hot enough to burn. There's a lot more moisture in these fungi than I thought. I just picked them up off the ground. This one must be drier than the other ones. So they're having to dry as they burn. This one has gone out. So we'll put this better one in here. Let's see what happens. All right, these 6 pieces of oak came off the ground, got plenty of moisture in them, so I will go ahead and turn this opening towards the wind. This one is still going strong. I guess we've been out here. Let me move you over here. This thing is still going strong. I learned something today. To carry fire and make that ember burn more slowly, make sure it's a little bit damp. But we've got 45 minutes into the burn of this, and you could probably make it to an hour easily. I could walk 2 miles with a backpack on in 45 minutes. So this is a great way to carry fire from one campsite to another. I'll keep track of how long this burns, and I'll put an annotation at the bottom of this video. All right, this is an hour and a half. Let's see how it's doing. All right, we'll call it an hour and 15 minutes.